All right, fellas.
This my American dream, man. This how I live it. Money, cars, and clothes, it's all a youngin' know. Big boy phantom with the suicide doors. Blue diamonds in my jacket, got my wrist on froze. I'm a big boy hustler, money don't fold. Money, cars, and clothes, it's all a youngin' know. Big boy phantom with the suicide doors. Blue diamonds in my jacket, got my wrist on froze. I'm a big boy hustler, money don't fold. Now I'm back in the street, never miss the hustle, never miss the beat. It's street fame from the chain of the lifestyle.
All right, so I can't go back out that way. It looks like they got it shut down for some kind of EMS training. So I'm gonna go out right over here. It's a little bit more dangerous because it's by the light. So I'll just have to be extra careful. But yeah, it's Friday night, man. Try to get something. Make sure I turn this shit off. There's the police department right here for sure. It's like this biggest speed trap here in this area because it's like 30-mile-an-hour speed limit all the way down this fucking street, all the way to the highway. So I usually avoid coming down here, but today I'm gonna try a little something different. I'm going like 35. See? 30 miles an hour. Ridiculous. Yeah, so tonight, me and the wife are going to get Japanese food, and then we're going to hit the pub, get some drinks. And I don't want to get stuck here. I really don't. Not with them doing all this construction. Flee from the Desert Eagle. Ooh, super bad to the bone. Scoop the back. Shitty road. baby. Yeah. Yeah, I hope you guys appreciate my videos too, man, because I know guys that usually beat their bikes to death, they abuse the bikes, those tend to be the ones that get the most recognition. But, you know, I don't beat on my bike, man. I like to enjoy my rides, man. Sometimes I'll cut up, but that's only going to come with more and more experience. I saw that, asshole. Trying to chill out. My ass ain't trying to speed through this this fucking intersection right here. That shit is no bueno, boy. There's so many wrecks right here because you got the fucking train tracks right there. People get so mad coming out of the base right here. People coming out of the military base there, and then you got all these people right here. As you can see, this street also is a 30-mile-an-hour street all the way down to the highway. So, because it's in the same town, so people right here, they get really impatient. And because they have a light right there, as you're about to see, all the people coming out, they get stuck right here. And so a lot of people like to block this intersection, and they don't look for bikes because people are trying to just get around. So there's always wrecks right here, and it's very dangerous. So just got to be careful. But once we get this air filter, man, I really do want a dyno tune, but I don't know if I'm gonna spend the 600. See how everybody takes their time before going, because they don't want to get fucking hit. Yeah, nobody wants to get hit, so everybody pulls off slow from that light. It's a good practice. Yeah, I wanted to go, but I thought it was gonna turn green. It should be a green light, but because they have the green light down there, you gotta stop. Saw that water right there. Let me slow my ass down. Just gotta be careful. This motherfucker's right here. I also didn't like that automatic braking. The ABS seemed kind of weird when I almost ran through the light. Like, it seemed really, really weird. And I used both brakes. Make sure my pack is closed. Beautiful day. There's another constable. Motherfuckers is everywhere today, bro. See? And my ass fucking hauled ass. I was gonna haul ass because got a lot of space ahead of me. Yes, sir. Oh, shit. See, so like after 2 o'clock, all of this, all the way back there behind me, which we just passed, is like completely landlocked, man. Like it's a style. It's just bad because they're doing all this construction right here at I-10. Yeah, there's so much traffic right here. And people stop right there, and they're not technically supposed to because the lane continues before you have to merge. But everybody literally stops right there, and so this entire line backs up.